Every guru has told you that you need to find your avatar. You need to define their age, their job, their income, what they look like, and that is exactly why you're stuck. You see, your niche, it's not a person, it's a problem. That's why businesses are actually made to solve problems. And what a lot of people think about with the niche is they think it's some sort of person, because that's what we've been told. Figure out who your avatar is, figure out everything about them, how old they are, their job, everything. But what happens is you start looking for a person instead of a problem. And the thing about it is, to get money, and the only reason a business exists is to solve a problem. A business doesn't start and then people find it. You don't come up with some great idea in the shower and then go out to the world and start talking about it and people are gonna come to it. That's the recipe for failure. You'd rather go out into the world and listen and look for problems. So if you can find a problem first, what will happen is you can then say, okay, well, how do I fix this problem? Okay, this becomes the next thing. So how do I fix this problem? And then you can go figure out how to fix it, or you can find somebody that already has fixed it or knows how to fix it. Then all you have to do... Hey, real quick, if you are looking for a way to actually use AI to grow your brand and just get the most out of AI, then I made something absolutely perfect for you. It's called Easy AI Content, and it'll show you how to master AI video and images to sell more. We run challenges in here. We've got a lot of great people having a great time, and you learn the foundations, how to create stuff, how to get traffic. You're going to learn all the different ways that you can make actual content that helps you grow your brand using AI and saving tons of time. So if you want to come join us, it's only $9 a month at the moment, but we're getting close to that, new member spot. So price will go up, but listen, come join us. We won the school games. We know what we're doing with this stuff. We're excited to help you. All you have to do is just simply go to school.com/easy AI and you can get started. Is go right back out here to this place where you found the problem, and there's a bunch of people out there probably that you found it from. They were out there asking questions. They were out there wondering what to do. Maybe you looked at a YouTube video, or you looked at some TikTok video, or you heard people talking about this problem out there. Okay, so there's this group of people out there that you found that all have this common problem. They're all complaining about it. You go back out there now with your solution and you say, hey, you know what, guys? I heard you out here talking and I found a solution for you. Here's what it is. Here's how it works. Here's where you can get it. Now, all of a sudden, you have become attractive. Now, all of a sudden, you got people stopping because you understand now why they should stop. They understand why they should stop. You have something worth stopping for, and everything becomes easier now. I've got the first step is you need to identify the problem and the pain that's associated with the problem. People will do more to get out of a burning building than they will to get a six-pack of abs. Because this is true, we need to lead with pain. In this noisy world, if you want to get somebody's attention, you need to get their attention with something that they're actually constantly dealing with and thinking about in their current situation. Once you find the problem that you want to solve, then understand the pain that is associated with it. If you want to get people to stop, then you need to understand these two things. I like to go to YouTube. I could pretend that I have the problem that I'm actually helping people solve. So I could be like, how do I create digital products? And then you'll see all this come up, right? So these are all things that people are actually typing. This helps us a lot. If somebody's searching for something, that's typically because they don't have the answer. If somebody's searching how to create digital products to sell online, if I were to just say click on that and I come here, it's going to show me the top videos for that. And when this comes up, I can go to these videos that have lots of views. This says how to sell digital products online, complete step-by-step tutorial for beginners. So what I want to do is I click on this and then I click pause. Then I come down here and I've got this program called VidIQ. If I come down here, there's 117 comments. So here's somebody that is teaching this, the complete step-by-step tutorial, and there's probably some questions down here. So what I do is I go to this VidIQ and it puts this little thing right here. I can click on this and I can go to contains questions. If I come on here and I find that there's 60 comments with questions in them, problem. If somebody watched this video and still has a question, that's a place where I can go start to discover what my content needs to be about, where people are still missing it. So here it says, what about the steps that go from selling the product to us getting paid? Like, how does the whole process work from A to Z? Do I need to set aside money to do this? What all is involved? So that could literally be like a short form video if I wanted. 4 people liked this, so they're also wondering the same thing. I could say, have you ever wondered what the steps are to go from selling a product to actually getting paid? It's frustrating not knowing this, right? This is something that's keeping you from actually doing what it is that you want to do. Well, let's go through that. Let me give you 3 tips on what that is. That's a little tiny short video that then turns into them going, that was interesting. That was good. I wonder what else. They go click on links. They go to your funnel. They opt in for the free training that goes into more depth, where you then offer your product at the end, making the sale. The point here is you can do this with anything, okay? What else I'll find is I'll find a lot of patterns. And typically when you find something showing up all the time, you have found the pain and the problem that you can address. So after you've done that, the next thing you want to do is, what is the hook going to be in 3 bullet points? These are 3 educational bullet points, okay? We want to educate them, giving them actionable advice that they can go use and get results with. Then you come up with your call to action and you distribute the piece of content, or you distribute whatever it is that you just created. The call to action, after you hook them, you educate them, what do you want them to do? Do you want them to follow you? Do you want them to opt into your free lead magnet that you're offering them? Do you want them to buy your program? Do you want them to join your community? What do you want them to do? Do you want them to go down in the comments and ask more questions? You need to be clear on the call to action and then distribute it. Email it out to your list. Put it inside of your community. Push it out on your social channels. Okay, go drop it in a group. Do something to distribute it. Just letting it sit is not going to help. These are the things that we really want to pay attention to. This will really help you get people's attention. Once you know the problem and the pain, it's really easy to come up with the rest of this. You might be stuck on how to get people to pay attention to you, and the only thing that you're missing is you don't quite understand the problem and the pain. One thing that'll also help you is realizing that your niche is not some ultra-defined person. Your niche is the problem that you solve. When you focus on the problem that you solve, anybody that has that problem, no matter their shape, size, age, or whatever, they can benefit from what you're sharing.